Yes. So here's the actual box right here for the new dash cam. This is the old dash cam. We're gonna take it out real quick. Dash cams are so important. I would never go anywhere without a dash cam, but this one is not 4K. This one is. So here's what we have underneath the box. Right when I unbox it, you have 3 different components. First one including the actual dash cam and the cable that powers this dash cam. And you can see right here, this is actually one of the nicest systems I've ever seen. And I'll show you why in a second. It does have a camera for the front and a camera for the inside. However, I'm not going to use this, so I'm just going to take this off right here. There we go. It's just a quick disconnect. And you can see you can move this camera around. And this is great for if you're using it for Uber and or if you're using it for, you know, police encounters and stuff like that. So I'm going to take the sticker off right here and stick this to the windshield. Right here, guys, look at this. It's a truly nice settle spot. We'll get the job done. And it's stuck in there and it's not coming off. Like I said, this is the interior camera right here. And if I ever want to use this, I can take it out of my glove compartment and just basically simply plug it in like so. It clicks into place. And now I have a camera looking directly into the interior of the vehicle. Now here's the actual cool part about this dash cam, guys. If you want to take this dash cam off for any reason whatsoever, all you do is boom. Pull it off. This thing is magnetic. Really, really awesome. First I've ever seen a magnetic holder like this. And then when you want to put it back, there are neodymium magnets. They click on and you're good to go. And let's take this dash cam and see how it looks in the daylight and also nighttime.